Warm welcome to all. Today it's about the personal impact of this Aquarius partial lunar eclipse in Shatatara Nakshatra for all the signs. I already talked about the impact of this eclipse and the transit details in the previous video. Watch Aquarius and Leo sign closely for the strongest visible impact because this eclipse activates the natural 5th and 11th axis, that is Leo and Aquarius sign of our chart very strongly. Expect some major shift in our desires, our friendships, goals, and our emotional truth. We will also know the difference between what looks important versus what truly deserves our energy. And because this eclipse is close to Rahu and in Shatatara, Rahu's nakshatra, be very extra careful with the fantasy or being oversensitive to what is happening around us. Do not react to every emotional wave as the final truth here. Shatatara and Rahu can amplify the picture more than reality here. So observe carefully, respond wisely, and let the clear result come by the time we move closer to the Leo new moon on 9th of September. Start with Aries. For Aries, this eclipse can bring changes in your friends, your network, your social circle, gains, your future plans, the audience response, and your long-term desires that now needs your honest review. You may start seeing very clearly which people truly support your growth and which connections create only noise around you, gives some comparison in front of you, or some pressure and some false excitement. Some group matter, some online platform, something related to your elder sibling, even your income hope, or some community involvement can become emotionally very important now. At the same time, this eclipse also impacts your creative heart, some creative projects, your love life, something related to children, and what gives you truly joy. So, this is not about who is around you, it is also about whether your future is aligned with what your heart actually wants. Avoid saying yes to every invitation, collaboration, or every big promise just because it looks exciting here. Rahu can make all your plans look bigger than what reality is. Let the dust settle here first. And by September, by the Leo new moon, you may see which desire is worth your energy and which one is only to distract you. Taurus. For Taurus, this eclipse can strongly affect your career, your reputation, your public image, the responsibilities that you carry, something related to your authorities, and your long term direction about your home life also. Something in your work and home life may now ask for some major correction, some filtering, or a more honest decision here. This can be about a role change, some pressure from the seniors, public expectations, some business shift, or the feeling that one professional path is no longer sustainable emotionally for you. At the same time, your home, your family peace, and your emotional foundation are also involved equally. So, the question here is not only what you can achieve in your professional life, the question is whether your outer success in your profession is sitting on your inner base, your inner peace, is impacting it strongly. So, avoid reacting too quickly to any public pressure or making a big career decision only because one moment feels overwhelming. This eclipse can amplify both your ambitions and your emotional discomfort also. Take both seriously, but do not let either one control you completely. The clearer result may come when the personal priorities become more obvious near the next upcoming Leo new moon on 9th of September. Gemini. For Gemini, this eclipse can bring movement in your travel plans, your higher learning, your communication, any legal matters, teachings that you get from others, your beliefs, the guidance from the elders, and your broader life's direction. A plan for future may now need some deeper review, some advice, some documents related work, some new opportunity, or some distant connection can bring a turning point here. But this eclipse is also activating the practical side of your communication, the paperwork, your speaking abilities, and your day-to-day decisions, your strength. So what you believe and what you communicate may now need a match more honestly here. You may realize that one story you were telling yourself is no longer enough now. Avoid rushing into any announcements, reacting to half formed informations, or turning one confusing sign into a final conclusion for you. Rahu can magnify the mental picture here and even your thoughts. Give yourself space to understand what is real here. And by 9th of September, the Leo new moon, one conversation or some practical development can help you see which direction deserves your faith in the time ahead. Cancer. For Cancer, this eclipse can bring some sudden changes in your finances, in your family matters, your emotional trust. It can bring some hidden pressure about the debts that you have, the loans, the taxes, the support system, and the deeper attachment patterns. Something may now come up that ask for mature handling now, not just emotional avoidance. This can be about money that you share with your family, a trust issue, some unequal support that you might feel, an emotional burden also, or the realization that something has been draining you more than you admitted. At the same time, this eclipse also impacts your values, your speech, and the sense of security here, which is most important to you. So, what is leaving or transforming may directly affect your stability and security here. Avoid making any financial decisions out of panic, some secrecy, or emotional urgency here. Also, avoid saying more than necessary in a sensitive moment. This eclipse can expose what is weak, but also can expose that can help you rebuild more honestly in the coming time. By the time we come near the Leo new moon, you may get a clear clue about what support is real and what now needs better boundaries in your life. Leo. For Leo, this eclipse can transform your image, your close relationships, marriage, your partnerships, clients, any agreements that you make, and your one to one dealings. Others' actions and their responses can become the main trigger here for any events to happen. You may clearly see where a bond is sincere, where it is imbalanced, or where too much of emotional projection has entered now. And because Aquarius is the opposite of your sign, this eclipse also impacts your personality, your identity, pride, your visibility in the society, creativity, and emotional self expression. All these are closely tied to what happens in your relationship matters now. So, this is not only about the other person, it is also about the version of yourself that comes alive inside that connection now. Avoid making any dramatic emotional reaction into the whole truth now. Rahu can enlarge both the attraction matter and also any disappointment if you carry in this. So listen carefully, observe all the patterns, and let the result unfold gradually. The period near the 9th of September, Leo new moon, can make this much more personal for you, and you may understand what this eclipse is trying to show you that time. Virgo. For Virgo, this eclipse can affect your work, your health, your daily routine, some responsibilities that you carry, your co workers, and the daily system that keep life running for you. You may now see very clearly where your energy is getting scattered, where your body needs better care, or where one work pattern has become too draining for you. This time can trigger to work on your unfinished task, changing your duties, your stress, your sleep patterns, or a quiet emotional burden sitting in the background for you. Because the opposite side is also active for you, expect some reflection, healing, release. And now, what is ending behind the scenes become equally important for you. So, this is not the time to just do more or put hard work. It is the time to remove what is weakening your peace of mind. Avoid any overwork, irregular habit, or pretending that stress is manageable when it is not. Rahu can make your mind and your thoughts run in too many directions. Simplify. And by end of September, a practical correction can show you what really needs to stay and what your system can no longer carry for you. Libra. For Libra, this eclipse can bring impact on in your love life, in your children's life. Your creative projects will be impacted, your education, your performance, any speculation that you are doing, your personal joy, and the need to express your real desire. All these can become very important. Something you care about deeply may now ask for truth, reality, and all these matter can become more intense than your expectation. At the same time, your desires can be exposed. This time brings your attention to your friendships, groups, public response, and also your future plans. So you may need to see whether your heart is following real joy or only it is trying to fit into the larger expectations of others. Avoid chasing validation, reacting to some mixed signals in love, or taking any risky step just because the emotional pull feels very strong here. This eclipse can make the picture look louder before it becomes clearer to you. Let sincerity lead more than any drama here. And by the Leo new moon in September, you may understand what joy or which joy is genuine and which hope was built more on projection than the reality. Scorpio. For Scorpio, this eclipse strongly activates your home life, your family, your property related matters, your emotional security, parents, and also your inner foundation. Something personal may now need little filtering and some change. A family matter, your living situations, home responsibilities, vehicle issues, or some private emotional truth can rise to the surface this time. At the same time, your career, some authority matters, and public responsibilities are equally impacted. So, this eclipse can show you very clearly whether your outer role and your inner peace are still supporting each other. If not, some correction will be needed here. Avoid forcing everything to stay in the same way only because change feels inconvenient or not comfortable to you. Also, avoid making any harsh decision in one emotional wave here. Rahu can exaggerate what is wrong, but it can also expose what has been ignored for too long. Give space for the truth to come out properly here. And by Leo new moon, you may know what personal correction is necessary for the next public chapter of your life. Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, this eclipse can bring some shift in your communication, some documentation work, your writing abilities, something related to your siblings' life, even learning something new, some business dealings, short travels, and some important conversation can happen here. A message may come more heavily than expected from any conversation. Something you hear, you say, or signal or decide can carry more emotional weight now. So speak carefully. At the same time, expect some change in your beliefs, your long term direction, your travel related matters, some teaching, and the larger meaning behind your choices here. So, this is not only about just one conversation or your communication only, it is about where that conversation is taking you in your life. Avoid any impulsive speech, reacting to incomplete information, or turning one disagreement into a much bigger fight here. See, this eclipse can magnify words, and words spoken now may carry longer and bigger consequences. Take your time, relax. And by the new moon, a clearer development can show which message mattered and which one only created temporary noise. Capricorn. For Capricorn, this eclipse can bring some sudden change in your health, in your money matters, your savings, your family values, the way you talk, your possessions, your food habits, and also your sense of stability. Some matter related to your income, your spending, or your self worth may now need an honest review now. This can be a family expenses, some payment issue, or a change in your priorities, or the realization that peace cannot be built on financial imbalance here. At the same time, you need to work on your deeper emotional bonds, your trust issues, and also any hidden pressures. So, the real issue may not be only money here, it may be what money represents emotionally to you. Avoid over promising, emotional spending, or speaking harshly when security feels threatened here. Rahu can make any loss look like bigger or desire feel more urgent than truly it is. Stay grounded. And by the next new moon, upcoming new moon in Leo, you may see more clearly what needs protection, what needs reworking, and where stronger boundaries are necessary now. Aquarius. For Aquarius, this is very personal eclipse. This is happening in your own sign. Expect change in your identity, your body, your confidence, your emotional state, the choices that you make, and the way you are showing up in the life right now. You may feel that something inside you is reaching a turning point, and because Moon is close to Rahu in your sign, your emotions can feel amplified, unusual. You may feel little restless or difficult to settle quickly here. You may suddenly see where you were overextending, over identifying with one desire, or carrying a future picture that no longer fits fully in your life. At the same time, focus on your relationships, any agreements that you make, and what other people are reflecting back to you. So, the eclipse may show you yourself through another person's reaction here. Avoid making any final decision only from an emotional peak. Rahu can twist here your self image for a moment, either by amplifying your fear or even your confidence. pause, observe, and let the process unfold everything. By the Leo new moon, the personal meaning of this eclipse can become much clearer through your relationships or some direct feedback from the others. Pisces. For Pisces, this eclipse may impact your sleep, your hidden emotions, isolation, hidden stress, expenses, giving you some endings, and what is quietly leaving from your life. This may not be the loudest eclipse outwardly, but inwardly it can be very strong for you. A silent realization can happen about what has been draining you, where your peace has been leaking, or what emotional patterns is now ready to end now. At the same time, expect change where your work, your health, duties, and your daily systems are involved. So, what is releasing inside may now ask for a practical change outside. Avoid ignoring any weaknesses, overspending because of emotional heaviness, or carrying stress without any support here. This eclipse can make unseen pressure feel bigger before it starts clearing out. So protect your sleep, reduce any unnecessary noise, and do not force clarity too quickly here. By the new moon, by the Leo new moon, a practical shift in your routine, in your energy and responsibility can help you confirm what truly needs release in your life. That was all about the personal impact of this eclipse, this partial lunar eclipse for all the signs. Overall, this partial lunar eclipse in Aquarius, Shatatara Nakshatra, can bring a strong phase of emotional filtering, churning, and truth checking. Because Rahu is close, we should not believe every reaction immediately. The change here can be deeper than it first appears. And because Leo is the opposite sign, whatever is shifting in the outer pattern can later show a very personal and soulful results. So watch what becomes louder now, but also watch what becomes clearer by the Leo new moon. This eclipse can expose our illusion for sure, correct the direction of our desire, and help us separate the real guidance from the emotional over amplification. That was all about this partial lunar eclipse. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with this eclipse. Thank you for your time. Do share your experiences in the comments and stay tuned for the next transit update. Thank you.